Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing MSI Center so changes behave predictably. First, install the latest MSI Center and confirm the version. This prevents feature mismatch. Next, connect your gaming peripherals and enable RGB sync if you plan to sync lighting. This ensures profiles apply correctly. Also, update Windows, your GPU drivers, and BIOS because outdated firmware causes instability. Once done, restart and open MSI Center to begin profile creation without wasting time. You now create and tune a profile tailored to your game. Open gaming mode, create a new profile, and name it so you can switch quickly. This keeps settings organized. Then adjust CPU and GPU boost, set a conservative fan curve for temperature versus noise, and choose a power plan. These balance performance and longevity. Once done, configure per app settings like frame rate limits and display mode. This ensures each game uses the right profile automatically. You finish by validating and troubleshooting the profile to lock in reliability. Launch the target game and monitor temperatures, FPS, and stability for at least 10 to 15 minutes so you catch thermal or performance issues. Use MSI Center's system diagnostics and logs to spot spikes or driver errors. These tools explain why a profile misbehaves. If instability appears, revert to defaults, update drivers, or reduce any overclocked values by 5 to 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.